Good morning.
Hello.
Welcome to Waggies Travels. Well, have you seen, and we've started as we normally go on.
Well, I don't know what you're trying to say.
Well, so as you've seen from a couple of previous vlogs, we've been trying to do a review on some solar panels we've been sent. So, there you go. These are for the Bluetti stroke Poweroak. And these are the 120 watt solar panels. Sunny day, as you can probably see by the fact that the sun's reflecting. So I've got the Bluetti in front of us. It is completely flat, so we're going to sort of give it an hour on charge to see what happens. Can I open it?
Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. Winnie, it's Christmas. Oh, sit down then. Sit.
So, actually going to cheat because I've got the old GoPro here. So, I'll power this on and we'll actually do.
What are we doing?
So people can see what you're doing in here.
Oh, okay. Winnie, come and sit down, darling. There we go. Sit down.
So Winnie's doing her own thing.
I'm opening the box. Here we go. All right.
She's adolescence.
Oh, oh, you might need to pull the cardboard in it. Yes.
Look at that. Look, Winnie had a go at the box. Look at that.
Has she nibbled the box?
She's nibbled the box.
Right, here we go then. So,
destructions.
the destructions in a nice little destruction holder.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, there's a little. Let me just take this right off and pass that to you. That's my trusty assistant. Winnie, if you don't mind, come and sit down. Thank you.
Do you want to?
Right. Well, there's a little pocket here with the zip. So I'm just going to open that. There we go.
Leads.
Leads. Oh.
So you plug into the back of the thing.
Right. Okay.
All right.
All right. So.
Do you want to zip that up?
Do you zip it back up?
Yeah, I would, just to keep it nice and...
Okay. Alright, so a little lead poking out the bottom.
Right.
Then, oh, this other side, there's some clips that say press. There we go.
Ooh, should I take them destructions and just get all of that there?
There we go. Alright. So, oh, there we go. Open that way then. Have I got it up the right way?
I don't know.
There's some thingies at the back. Oh, I think I might have it up the right way.
Right.
So don't turn it that way. Back here are little
standy things.
Standy things. All right. I was waiting for you to have the technical name.
Okay. Right. I'll tell you what. We'll get this set up and then we'll get it plugged in.
Okay.
So
well, how many panels we got here?
We got
5.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey.
Right. So it's quite big.
Right. We'll get this plugged in and then we'll show you the Bluetti and what it's charging. Here we go. Right. Got it all set. Got it all set up. So
right.
I'll plug this in.
Okay.
And then we'll just, so what I will do is we'll just have a quick look and see. So as you can see, it is completely flat. Let's plug this in and see what happens. And we're charging 24, 35, 45, 54, 62, 77, 83, 91, 92. So,
wow, I'm impressed.
92 watts and charging.
Wow, it's amazing, isn't it?
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
How long do you reckon it will take to charge it up?
Well, it's not actually so 120 watts is its capacity.
Yeah.
So it's not charging at full capacity, but what we'll do is we'll put the...
But this is the whole point, isn't it? To see how fast... So, could you plug something in there now?
Yes.
Even though it was completely dead?
Well, it would need some charging before it started, but yes, you could. Right, I've sent Lisa away to do something very important. and that's to go and get coffee. However, oh, the sun's gone, so this is rather interesting. The cloud has just gone in front of the sun, and the charge has dropped from 92 to 22. So that is really impressive. So just to see how, I'm not sure if you're getting this, but so that's dropped by 72 watts of charge. And back up again, it's climbing again. So as the sun's becoming uncovered, yeah. So what a absolutely unbelievable that really, isn't it? That the sun covers it and we lose that amount. So we're back up again to 90, 91. So it's just 11:30 when we put this on charge, and it's dropped again. So it's just 11:30 when we put this on charge. We're going to give this an hour till 12:30, and we'll see how much we've managed to charge in that time. So we'll have a coffee and we'll come back to you.
So that's how much it's charging by?
Yeah, so we're up to, look at that, we're up to 108 watts now. So 110.
So how much does it go up to?
So these are 120 solar panels. So they're 120 watt solar panels, and it's now charging at, oh, let's just push that, minding the coffee. If you can see that, it's at 110 watts. So we are...
So those other numbers are still at 0, so what does that mean?
So, well, they're the output, where these battery lines there in the battery.
Yeah.
So that's 20%, 40, 60, 80 and 100 respectively.
Yeah.
And that's the amount of wattage being charged. If we had something switched on, the AC or the DC switched on, that would show a discharge there. So at the moment we're at 112, 113, 113.
That's how much the panels are putting in, aren't they?
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, what I want to know is how much is actually stored.
So at the moment it's still charging.
Yeah.
So once it gets to 20%, the 20% one will stop flashing.
Right, okay, that was my question then, yeah.
But as you can see, the cloud's covering it again, and it's just dropped the charge. Oh.
What?
Right, we've been here an hour and 3 minutes. So the sun has not been brilliant. It has been in and out, in and out, in and out. So let's start this one going. See yourself. So if you can see that, and I've got glasses on so I can't see how much of that you can actually see, but we have now got a solid 20% bar, and it's charging at 40 watts. At one point we did have it up to 116. So you can see that. Yes, at one point we did have it up to 116, which is only 4 off of its maximum capacity. So
sun's come back up.
there we go. So sun's come out and it's climbing again. So
I mean, while we've been waiting, we've been discussing the application of this, haven't we?
yeah.
The fact that if we were camping here and there are no amenities, then we could have this going and
survive. We can be off grid, which is exactly what we intend to do with it, is to use it off grid.
So it does what it says on the tin then?
It does. That's my saying, you can't nick that.
It's not your saying at all. It belongs to a certain exterior paint company.
Yes, but I nicked it for our vlogs.
Oh, okay. Well, you can't say it's your saying though, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So,
normal service is being resumed.
I didn't eat my cake, by the way. I'm saving mine. We're going to walk around the lake in a minute.
I did drop the cake, didn't I?
Well, it rolled off the table as I nearly rolled off my chair. We're on a bit of a slope here, and I leant forward to put my cup of coffee back on the table, and yeah, she can hear you rustling in there.
Oh, sorry about that. Got just a bit sidetracked. Anyway, the the panels. They definitely do what they say on the tin. Mine, I'm having that. You can't steal it.
Oh, I've done it again.
Okay.
So it will, even overcast, it still works.
It does.
But I think that solar panels are supposed to do that.
They
Aren't
are.
But it would just, Winnie, stop it. It would just take a lot longer.
Yeah.
I suppose.
So, right. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe and
Ring the bell for notifications.
excellent. The panels, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Oh yeah, this is.
No, I was just saying.
Oh, hang on a minute. So what's happened is the GoPro's actually gone flat. So we've had to come onto the phone. So yeah, to sum up, panels absolutely brilliant. Do what they say on the tin, and they get a massive thumbs up from us. So,
Like I said, I was going to say, can't wait to show you us actually being away using it. You know, so that you can see how we use it.
yeah. And we shall then what we'll do is we can then compare different units.
Yeah,
So-
Rich will be showing you how he uses his hair straighteners and his beard trimmer. And...
Oh, you're being sent something. We can't say what at the moment, but Lisa's being
Oh,
sent.
there's a big
There's a big girly review coming up. Yeah. So she's very happy.
Yeah. Yeah,
So, let's just say,
girls.
let's just say her constant use of hair straighteners in our reviews has
They're not constant use.
well, there you go. Right. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye for now. Bye.